Good day everyone. So I'm back. So Lawrence. This video I will teach you how to solve factoring trinomials. So without further ado, let's begin our first example. So in number 1, to solve in factoring trinomials, we need to prepare two parentheses. Then next, in factoring trinomials, we have to think first that what are the factors of this. So this x squared, so the given is x squared plus 7x plus 10. So in our first term, there is a 1 here, in imaginary 1, a visible 1. That is our leading coefficients. So first thing to do, this last term and first term, first is we have to multiply them. So 10 times 1, that is 10. So this is the first. Then after, we have to think first that which are the factors of 10 that given us the sum of 7x of 7. So in that case, we have to think. So what are the factors? So let's try 10 times 1. 10 times 1. So 10 times 1, that is 10. So it's correct. But 10 plus 1 is 11. So that's not right, because we have to think that the sum of it is, the answer is 7. So therefore, this is not the right factors. So let's try another. So let's try 5 times 2. So 5 times 2, that is 10. So it's correct. Then next, the sum of it. So 5 plus 2, that give us 7. So what's our middle? So 7. So it's right. So therefore, this is our the factors. So let's solve. So first, put x both side, both term. Then the second term, we have to put this 5 and 2. So positive 5 and positive 2. So this will now be our final answer. So that's easy, right? So to understand further, so let's another example for practice. Example for number 2. Let's say x squared plus 8x plus 15. So first thing to do, prepare two sets of parentheses. Then the multiply of x of our first term and third term. So in our first term, it has a 1 here that has a visible. So let's multiply. So 15 times 1, that is 15. So in here, same process, we have to think what are the factors that can give us the sum of our middle term, which is the 8. So let's try 15 times 1. So 15 times 1 is equal to 15, right? But if we add them, it give us excuse me, it give us 16. So 16 is not right because our middle term is 8. We need to figure out the sum, that is the answer is 8. It can give us 8. So let's try 5 times 3. In here, 5 times 3, that is 15. That is 15, right? Then if we add them, 5 plus 3, that is 8. So therefore, this will now be our factors form. So to solve, put x in our first term, then copy our factors. So 5 times 3, positive 5 and positive 3. So that's easy, right? Yes, it's easy. So this will now be our answer. So I know you got it. So let's try another example for number 3, our last example. For number 3, we have x squared plus 8x minus 20. So in our number 3, we have now the negative sign. So to solve, remember, first prepare 2 sets of parentheses. Then next, the multiply of first term and our third term. So 20 times 1, because it has a 1 here. So 20 times negative 20 times 1, that is negative 20, of course. So in here, same process, we have to think that what are the factors of negative 20 that give us the sum of 8x. So therefore, let's try negative 20 times 1. Negative 20 times 1, it give us negative 20, but if we add them, it give us 19. So it's not right. So let's try another. So if we say 10 times negative 2. So here, let's try. So 10 times negative 2, that is give negative 20. And if we then 10 minus 2, so in here we have to subtract because that's not the same sign. So 10 and negative 2, it will give us positive 8, of course. So positive 8, so it's right because our middle is 8. So therefore, this will now be our factors. So prepare x, then write our factors. So plus positive 10 and negative 2. So this will now be our final answer. So that's easy. What if this can be interchangeable? You can use x minus 2 or x plus 10. It can be also this, because let's try, if we to get the answer, let's try to solve. So if the answer is this, so let's solve by the using FOIL method. If we use FOIL method, it can be here x times distribute. So x times x, that is x squared, then x times, and that is 10x, then negative 2 times it, that is negative 2x, then negative 2 times 10, that is negative 20. So combining like terms, so this first, so x squared, so positive 10x and negative 2x, that is positive 8x. Then copy, bring down negative 20. So it's the same here, our problem. So it's right. So this is right. Okay? So that's it, guys. So I hope you understand our video. Thank you for listening, and God bless us all. So that's it. So goodbye, everyone. Thank you.